All right, so today we're going to tie the Eggie-won-kenobi or the eggs and bacon. Take a round shank hook. I'm using a size 10 here. And I'm going to put that in the vise. I'm going to lay down. Oh yeah, there's our little soft eggs. There's probably 5 or 10 different versions of soft eggs. But you're going to take one. Lay down a layer of thread on your hook, and then after you get like a nice even, like really sparse layer of thread, you're gonna essentially just put a little dab of glue, and then you're going to slide your hook through the middle of your soft egg. So I'll show you that process here. All right, so while I fiddle around trying to get this egg onto the hook, you can see there, I just want to give a big shout out to Briar Company for that sweet hat. All right, now that we got the egg on our hook shank, we're going to put the hook back in our vise. Then we're going to add a little bit of chenille. I'll show you how to process that chenille. It's basically going to be a San Juan worm on the back side of this egg pattern. So this is just regular body chenille. I cut about 2 inches or so. And then I start my thread wraps right behind the egg. Then you'll see me dip under, and I'll basically secure the egg with a couple of thread wraps in front. And then I'll crisscross, kind of like you would barbell eyes, only a couple of times. And then I will start to secure that chenille right behind the egg. So we've got to just very, very lightly burn the edges. I feel like it gives it a lifelike appearance to the chenille. Just kind of singe the ends. It also makes it a little more durable. And then we'll go ahead and place that right behind the egg. Secure it with a couple of wraps. And we'll make some McDonald's type arches after we get a thread base down. Work it down to, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch or so. And then essentially you're going to make some arches with the chenille body. Kind of makes it look like a real worm. And then go ahead and secure that chenille all the way down. After you finalize the back end of that chenille, go ahead and start to work your wraps forward. And then I like to do a whip finish behind just for that second half of the fly. Then once you're done, cut your thread, a little bit of glue. You will have the Eggie-won-kenobi or the bacon and eggs, depending on which side of the United States you hail from.